Welcome guys to Rachel's kitchen. Actually, it's my mom's kitchen, but today we're going to be making a really good lemon bar recipe, which is why I have these yellow flowers to represent the color. But yeah, it is from the Magnolia Homes cookbook, which is of course authored by Joanna Gaines. She is a brilliant cook, baker, pretty much anything to do with food and recipes. And her lemon bar squares, whatever you call them, are amazing. And like I said, super simple and quick to make. So I wanted to show the steps. So I will collect the ingredients for that and we will get to baking. All right, so this is what the recipe looks like. It looks very complicated, but I promise it really isn't. So you basically just need, I'll show of course, but you just need butter, flour, more butter, powdered sugar, salt, regular sugar, eggs, and lemon juice. And you follow the steps. There's like 2 main portions to do, and then you have these beautiful looking lemon squares. Packing for the beach today, and I definitely want to bring the hammock because there should be some places to set that up. And then also I think Peyton and I will play some tennis, which I absolutely love and I'm excited for, so we'll bring that too. Before we go though, I'm gonna go for a quick little walk and then finish packing, and then I think we have to go to the grocery store. All the pear trees are in bloom and they're super pretty. They're about to have leaves, so I need to capture the white flowers. Let's see how to work the... Oh, there we go. So we are unpacking everything, about to return those downstairs. Kind of cloudy today though. Take you to the beach in a second. Sunset.
Wait, you go hot tubbing? Oh, look. It is cold water. So pretty.
Disney Plus. Oh, they have the Mickey short. I really want to watch that animal show though.
Oh my word, just put that on.
Okay. Sunset was so pretty. Now we're watching Indiana Jones for movie night, and then tomorrow is supposed to be kind of stormy, so I'm not sure what we'll do. Hopefully we'll figure out something fun, so I'll see you tomorrow. Going to have to do some indoor activities today because it'll be stormy later. So I have the Disney puzzle. Oh gosh, it's really windy out here today. But I mean, it's the beach, so what do you expect? I tried to talk on the porch, but it was a little bit too windy. I don't think you would be able to hear anything that I said. Since it is going to be really stormy later today, we're going to go ahead and get a little bit of beach time in right now and then do indoor activities the rest of the day. Probably some reading, drawing, things of that nature. I got the best sleep last night that I've had in forever. Stress will really affect you. I'm looking forward to a lot of good sleep and rest and getting back on track with that. Peyton also brought a pirate costume that she had made a while ago, so I might try to make her go take some pictures with that because I think it would look absolutely epic on the beach. I think I brought it right here actually. I think it would be really cool to do that. And since it's stormy today, it would be perfect. But yeah, let's go head down to the beach and see what it looks like this morning. Got the necessities, got the chair, got a book. Gonna grab mom a book real quick, and then we will be heading down to the beach for a little bit before lunch. And then, grab it. All right, now we're ready to go. was really, really windy out there. Could barely even read, and it was getting kind of cold. So back in the condo for a little bit of lunch, and then probably work on the indoor stuff because yeah, it's really pretty outside. It's just way too cold and windy to be sitting out there. So yeah, we'll make some lunch and get on with the rest of the day. All right, back to the puzzle. Doing these edge pieces first. Kind of cheating though, because when I open the package, a lot of them are already put together. So this one's not gonna take very long to do, but I think we have a few more that we can do later. This one is the Rapunzel one, so one of my favorites for sure. Look how dreary it is today. So yesterday we just had to stay inside pretty much and do activities indoors. Today looks like it's going to be about the same, so go for a quick run, walk, and then probably have to do more reading and drawing, things like that, so oh well. Okay, I would just like to show you how amazing my sister is. She made this pirate costume herself, and this is the one I was trying to get her to take pictures with outside yesterday when it was stormy, but she was not cooperating and didn't want to do it. But I think it's like the perfect scenery to do it, because I mean, especially over here with the storm clouds and all of that, it would just be so aesthetic. It'd be pretty much like a movie. Fortunately, she didn't want to do it though. Oh, pain. But yeah, she's awesome. Good evening, guys. Today was another really stormy day, unfortunately. We did get to go to the beach a lot though, because it never actually rained. It was just kind of that overcast cloudiness and a lot of wind. There are some hopes that tomorrow will be a little bit better, but who knows. Tonight, just doing the normal things that you do when the weather is kind of eh. Unfortunately, we haven't seen very many pretty sunsets either because of it, but you know, that happens sometimes, making the most of it. I'm really hoping to take the ukulele, I still don't know how to pronounce it, out to the beach at some point. I'm really hoping that tomorrow will be a pretty sunset, because it would be so magical to go play the ukulele on the beach with the sunset, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. We'll see. Well, it is not storming today, but it was super duper cold. So what a change in temperature and weather. I'm about to go down to the beach and check it out and see if it's too cold to be down there or not.
Are you videoing this?
Yeah.
Look at it.
There you go. You go down. Go down.
I can't.
You go down.
I'm taking a picture. Just open it.
I don't know. Wait a minute. Hold on.
Dang it.
Hold on. Hold on. You're gonna get your arms stuck.
You are gonna get your arms stuck.